Your question is, let A is equal to 1, minus 2, 1, minus 2, 3, 1, 1, 1 and 5. Verify that adjoint A inverse is equal to adjoint A inverse, and A inverse of inverse is equal to A. So here first what we will do, just we will go for A inverse. So if we go for A inverse, we can solve this and we can solve this. We will get two things there. That's why we will go for A inverse. So we know that A inverse is equal to adjoint A by determinant of A, where determinant of A is not equal to 0. We know that. Now, so first we will go for determinant of A. Determinant of A, that is equal to 1 into 15 minus 1. Then this is minus 2. But the place is also minus. So we will get plus 2. Plus 2 into, now this will be your minus 10 minus 1. Minus 10 minus 1. And this will be plus 1. Then minus 2 minus 3. That is equal to, this is 14. This will be minus 22 and minus 5. So minus 22 minus 5 is minus 27. Minus 27 plus 14 is minus 13. So here we will get minus 13. Next, we have to substitute here. What we will get? Here we will get A inverse is equal to, this determinant is in the denominator. So here we will write minus 1 by 13. Next we have to go for adjoint A. For adjoint A, we should know the position of that element. That is positive or negative. So just we will write that. So first comes your positive, then negative, then positive. This is negative, then positive, then negative, then this is positive, then negative, then this is positive. So we know that. Now, in the first row, need not to do anything. Just y means we have solved here. This one. But in the center, we have to go for that. See that. So this is 14, positive. So here comes 14. This will be minus 11. Minus 11 and sign is minus. We will get 11. Next is minus 5. Sign is positive. We will get minus 5. The first row need not to do anything, but that row we have to write in column. What we are doing? Just we are transposing. We are interchanging rows to column and column to row. Then only we will get our adjoint A. Next comes to your second. What we will get? Minus 10 and minus 11 is minus 1 is minus 11. Sign is minus. We will get 11. So here we will get 11. Next is this element. So that is your 5 minus 1 is 4. Sign is positive. We will get 4. Next is your this element, minus element. So minus element, that means we have to go for 1 plus 2 is 3 and sign is minus. So we will get minus 3. Next comes this. That means minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. sign is positive, we will get minus 5 only. Next comes this element. So this element, that means it will be 1 plus 2 is 3. Sign is minus, so minus 3. And last element is 5. The sign is it is positive. That means it will be 3 and minus 4. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. We will get here minus 1. So this is your A inverse. We got A inverse. Next, what we will do, just we will go for inverse of that. A inverse of inverse. So what we will get? A inverse of inverse, that is equal to adjoint A inverse by determinant of A inverse. Then only whatever we will get, that is equal to A. That we will see. Now, so here first we will go for determinant of A inverse. So here just we have to solve this. What we will get, see this, minus 1 by 13. That means we will get minus 14 by 13. Minus 14 by 13. Minus 11 by 13. 5 by 13. Here minus 11 by 13. Minus 4 by 13. 3 by 13, 5 by 13, 3 by 13 and 1 by 13. Next we have to go for determinant of A inverse. That is equal to, first is minus 14 by 13 into, what we will get, see this, this is minus 4, minus 9 is minus 13. So we will get minus 13 by 13 into 13, denominator is 169. We got this. Next is minus, and the position is positive or minus only, so we will get positive. So here we will write plus 11 by 13 into, now, so this will be minus 11 and minus 15 is minus 26. Minus 26 by 169. Next comes plus 5 by 13. Now we will check it. This is minus 33 and plus 22 is minus 13. So we will get minus 13 by 169. Just reduce them, whatever it is there. 13 and this will go out. So now we will get here minus 14 by 169. This 13, it will go 2 times. So here we will get minus 22, minus into minus is plus, sorry. So this will be 22 by 169. And here 13 and 13 gone, we will get minus 5 by 169. That is equal to minus 27 plus 14 is minus 13. So we will get minus 13 by 169. So now reduce them. If you reduce it, you will get minus 1 by 13. Minus 1 by 13. That is your A inverse. Now, determinant of A inverse. So now we have to go for this. So here it will be A inverse of inverse. That is equal to, this is down. That means it will come up. It will come up. So now we will get what? Minus 13. This will be minus 13. Next we have to go for adjoint A inverse. Adjoint A inverse is what? So first row need not to solve. I have already told. Why means we have done here. So here it is minus 1 by 13 and 169. Just reduce it. You will get minus 1 by 13. This will be minus and the position is positive. Minus only. So we will get positive. If you reduce it, you will get 2 by 13. 2 by 13. Why means we have to reduce this way, not this way. Next is this. So that is minus 1 by 13. Same. Next we have to go for this value. And the position is what? Negative only that. So just we will write the position. This is negative. This is positive, negative. This is positive, negative and positive. Now this element. So this element, that means it will be what? Minus 11, minus 15 is minus 26. Minus 26 and sign is also negative. So we will get 26. 26 divided by 169. What we will get? 2 by 13. 2 by 13. Next is this position. That means minus 14 minus 25 is minus 39. So we will get minus 39 by 169. So that is 3 by 13. So this position is 3 by 13. Now, next comes this position, that is negative position. So here it is minus 14 into 3 is minus 42. Minus 42 plus 55 is 13. So 13 by 169. We will get 1 by 13. 1 by 13. And the position is negative. So we will get minus here. Minus 1 by 13. Next comes this position. So this position is what? Minus 33 plus 20. We will get minus 13. Minus 13 by 169 is minus 1 by 13. Here we will get minus 1 by 13. Next is this position. That means it will be minus 42 plus 55 is 13. 13 by 169 is 1 by 13. Here we will get 1 by 13. Just we will check it again. This position. This will be your negative position. Sorry, negative is there. We will write negative here. Next is this position. Last position, that is your minus into minus is plus. We will get 56. 56 and it is 121. So we will get minus 65. Minus 65 divided by 169. We will get minus 5 by 30. That is equal to, now here you can check it. Here minus is there, minus. So we will simply change the sign of that, and below 13 is there and we have to multiply that also. That means they will get divided. It will be 1 only. So just change the sign of your numerator. What we will get? 1 minus 2, 1. This is minus 2, minus 3, 1. This will be 1, 1 and 5. So here we have done little mistake. Just we will check it. What we have done? See this. In A and this, here minus 3 came. Here 3 is there. That means here it should be minus. So just we will check this position. What it is. That is your center position. So center position is positive. So here it will be minus 14 and this will be your minus 25. So this will be minus 39. So it will be minus 3. Therefore we will write here minus 3. Here it will be plus. So likewise we can check also. So here we have done one mistake. Okay. Now. So this gets over. So now we can say this is nothing but your A. We have proved this. Next they have given here adjoint A inverse. Adjoint A inverse is nothing but what? This value. Adjoint A inverse. You can see this. That is equal to, we can say, adjoint A and its inverse. So now we have to go for adjoint A. So adjoint A is nothing but this value. This is your adjoint A. And we have to go for inverse of that. So first what we will do? Determinant of that. So now we can write it as adjoint A inverse. That is equal to adjoint A by determinant of adjoint A by determinant of adjoint A. That we have to do. So first we will go for adjoint A. And that is determinant. So determinant of adjoint A. That is equal to, now, 14 into minus 4 minus 9 is minus 13. So we will get minus 13 here. Next is this position is negative. We will write minus 11. So here it will be minus 11 minus 15 is minus 26. Okay. Next comes your minus 5. So this will be minus 33 plus 20 is minus 13. So here if you see 13 is common, we will write that 13 is common. Here we will get minus 14. Here we will get minus 2 plus 22. And here we will get plus 5. So this will be 27 minus 14 is 13. 13 into 13 is 169. Now we have to go for our formula. So that is equal to, we can say it is 1 by 169. Now comes your adjoint of adjoint A. So now adjoint, that means position. So just we will write that. What is that position? So first is your positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. So first comes, first row need not to do anything. Just we have to see this. So here it is minus 13. We will write here minus 13. The position is negative. And this is also negative. We will go for 26 and minus 13. Next position is this. If position is this, we have to go for minus 11 and minus 15 is minus 26. And position is minus, we will get 26 here. Now, next is positive position. Positive position, that means it will be minus 14 and minus 25 is minus 39. Next is this position, that is negative. So negative, that means it will be minus 42 and plus 55 is 13. And this will be minus, so minus 13. Next is position this. So we will get minus 33 and minus 20, plus 20. So we will get minus 13. So here we will get minus 13. Next position is this. So here we will go for this minus 42 plus 55 is 13. Position is negative. So minus 13. Next comes here. So this will be 56 minus 121. So we will get minus 65. Minus 65. So now if you solve this, here underline 169 is there. That means we have to divide this by this. So here we will get what? Minus 1 by 13, 2 by 13, minus 1 by 13, this is 2 by 13, this will be minus 3 by 13, and this will be minus 1 by 13, this will be minus 1 by 13, this will be minus 1 by 13, and this will be minus 5 by 13. Now if we check, this should be equal to this. See that. Minus 1, 2, minus 1, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 2, minus 3, minus 1, 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 5, minus 1, minus 1, minus 5. So like this we have to prove it.